comes with the clip and everything.
Oh, you got the shaft out? How's the length one?
I'll try and measure it up with the other one and see if it's the same length.
Do you love that?
So we've got the new shaft and we're gonna have to bend it up a little bit, Billy, if you want to get it back in. Maybe we put it in the vise and just kind of give it a 90 and a little twist. I don't know if we can imagine this thing straight. Whoop.
Oh, the struggle is real today so far. Alright, welcome back to SN Garage. Got our 302 back out. As you know, we had some issues with the intake install. And just digging into it a little bit further, make sure everything's okay. We're going to do a couple little checks on the bottom end. Still not sure if this thing's 100% okay, so we just want to make sure before we go too far. Yeah, let's dig into it.
Let's dig.
Hey, don't be showing them my book. They'll know that we're cheating and we don't know anything.
What is going on there?
What are you doing?
Looking through the lens.
Oh, I think it's the wrong thread. It's got to be the wrong thread. Tell me about it. Should have drained that. There she is.
Ooh, there it is.
Hey, let's hope it doesn't fall off.
Is that how it works? You just have to hope.
We're around here most of the time on everything. Oh, that's solid. So confusing.
Well, that's the thing. Like, what does it spin on? Because this spins it. So if it's disconnected from here,
And down here,
where does it go?
what grabbed onto it?
Yeah.
There's gears in there. Maybe that's why the distributor was walking around it. Oh, one thing I was thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Should we turn to top dead center before we pull that distributor out this time?
Yes.
So that I can properly align it?
Yep.
How do I do that again?
Put a wrench on there and.
You have to feel it out of the spark plug hole, right?
Yep.
Which one's number one?
Left or right should be right here.
You think so?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Do you think it's this one?
Yeah. 1, 2. It should say on this thing right here. Where's number 1?
So that's this wire. This wire. One's right there.
Oh yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, that's 1.
Try not to drop these, eh? Oh, it's black.
Yeah, it looks pretty gnarly.
Is that oil? Considering those are new plugs.
Yeah. They maybe have 10 kilometers on them.
And if not even, no way they have 10 kilometers on them. No way. Think you can feel it with this thing?
Cranker, I can hold on to it. God, it feels like you're right on top, but we'd have to go past so I know. Yeah, down. It's going down. Coming up. Whoa. I think that's it, buddy.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, I would say let's go under and take a gander. Was this tube lifted or something before?
Yeah, that's it. It doesn't go any further.
Unless that clip goes underneath to prevent it pulling up. Maybe because this one was longer, it allowed too much into the drive shaft and was able to pull out of the oil pump.
Right. It does make sense because when we
Because you
pulled
wouldn't
up.
be able to get that through because it's the same diameter as this. So if it pulled up and hit
Drops.
and didn't drop into the hole, it's probably set lower on this one to make sure that doesn't happen. It is a bit more. It would allow it to come up that little tiny bit.
Yep.
And then it gets dog locked, and then the drive shaft was walking around, or the
Yep.
distributor was walking around it. I don't know how I'm going to feed it up. If I can line it up and you can grab it with the magnet, maybe you're supposed to have the oil pump off. That would make sense. You mount the oil pump with the shaft in, and it's never supposed to pull out. People are going to be hating in this video for sure. Why didn't you replace the oil pump?
Oh yeah.
Everything I read. Anytime you access the oil pump, replace it. They're shit. We like to live on the edge.
Oh yeah, there she is in all of her glory.
There's the culprit there.
Just pull that shaft out. See, does it come out easy? Yeah, just does what it
That's some
should.
suction. Oh god. Oh, she pumps.
So where are we at?
So we got the oil pump off. Talked ourselves into ordering a new oil pump. Should always replace the oil pump on these things when you have the pan off anyways. Check a few things in the bottom end and get it slapped back together. Pull the intake back off. We gotta reseal that as we obviously made a mistake in there from getting a little bit of antifreeze in the oil. Hopefully she's all good. And if not, we're just gonna do a lot of burnouts until it's very blown up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.